Meet Mark. Mark runs a mortgage business.
Like any mortgage professional, he needs to collect, store, and manage personal and financial information of borrowers. As he does this, he needs to comply with the information security guidelines issued by CFPB. Now these guidelines requires him to implement tighter security restrictions for data access, a data backup plan for eventualities like system crash and breakdown, and ensure protection against hackers and identity theft. This makes his job complex as he needs to continuously invest time, energy, and money in system upgrades, system protection, and data security. Mark needs a solution to this situation as he wants to focus on his customers instead of technological issues. Enters Mortgage Workspace, a cloud-based working environment designed specifically for mortgage industry. A managed mortgage cloud within ABT PowerCore's protective shield, which keeps the sensitive personal data of borrowers absolutely safe, as per the guidelines issued by CFPB. And not only this, Mortgage Workspace is also compatible with most of the mortgage softwares like Kylex and Encompass. Mark was delighted to know that Mortgage Workspace also maintains and auto-updates itself for any patches, updates, antivirus softwares, and secure computer policy configurations. So Mark chose to implement Mortgage Workspace and moved his mortgage business to cloud quickly and easily. Now Mark didn't need to keep any sensitive data on his local computer. And finally, he could stop worrying about breakdowns, system crashes, and theft. Mark transformed his business within 24 hours without changing any of the process he and his associates were accustomed to. All his applications ran as before. Mark could now relax in the knowledge that all his data was safe and accessible across wide range of mobile devices and operating systems, giving him and his team with the flexibility to be productive anywhere, anytime. Mark now has significantly reduced his spendings on technology and has more time to focus on closing loans and keeping his customers happy. Like Mark, you can too take advantage of Mortgage Workspace service, which is specifically designed for mortgage business, in compliance with CFPB guidelines, compatible with your mortgage software, quick and easy to set up, and not to mention it is supported by 24 hours, 7 days a week technical staff. We guarantee 100% satisfaction, high quality, and best product in market. Call us today or visit us at www.myabt.com.